Hello and welcome to the English for Beginners class. Today we're gonna learn about my house. House. Places in the house. At the end of the lesson, you're able to talk about where people are and what are they doing. Living room. Living room. Mom is in the living room. Mom is in the living room. She's watching TV. She's watching TV. Dining room. Dining room. Here is dining room. My sister is in the dining room. My sister is in the dining room. She's eating. She's eating. Kitchen. Kitchen. Where are they? They're in the kitchen. Where are they? They're in the kitchen. What are they doing? They're washing the dishes. They're drawing the dishes. Washing the dishes. Drawing the dishes. Here is bedroom. Bedroom. Where's Grandma? She's in the bedroom. What's she doing? She's sleeping. Bathroom. Bathroom. Where are they? They're in the bathroom. What are they doing? He's brushing his teeth. He's taking a bath. Brushing his teeth. Taking a bath. Now look at these pictures. Number 1, he's doing his homework. He's doing his homework. Number 2, he's helping his parents. He's helping his parents. Number 3, she's cleaning the room. She's cleaning the room. Now look at this picture. Where are they? And what are they doing? It's your turn to answer. Where are you and what are you doing? Please answer the questions in the comment. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe this channel.